Welcome to Phrasal Verbs with Oscar, the verb preposition combination to make up. A phrasal verb that doesn't have much to do with dogs, but it does have 6 possible meanings. This is part 2 with 4 of the 6 meanings. It starts with the third meaning. The third meaning, 3 out of 6, of to make up is to compose or constitute. Oscar is made up of cuteness and fur. In a definition of what is a chemical, you can see where it's defining solids. It says plant fibers, animal bones, rocks, and soil are all made up of chemicals. And then in an article about businesses, it says firms with fewer than 20 workers made up 89%. And in this headline, it reads, "Once you see what Nutella is made up of, you'll never want to eat it again." And in the picture, you can see that Nutella is made up of palm oil, skim milk, cocoa, hazelnuts, and sugar. The fourth meaning, 4 out of 6, of to make up is to reconcile after a quarrel. The characters in romantic comedies always seem to get in a fight and then make up. This isn't just for romantic situations. You can make up with a friend. In the first article, it's even titled, "How to Make Up with a Friend." And the second one says, "Making up is hard to do for kids." The fifth meaning, 5 out of 6, of to make up is to compensate for something missing. This is something most students are familiar with, making up work after missing class. In the form on the left, it says person absent, date absent, and assignments that you need to make up. It can also refer to making up days of school missed due to weather. In this headline, it says, "How should public schools make up for snow days?" This meaning of to make up is repeated in this article, where it says, "Some schools have even held classes on Saturdays to make up snow days." Making up something missing is not just related to school. In an article about work, it says in the final sentence, "A supervisor said this was a way I could make up for the time I was gone." And finally, a sixth meaning, 6 of 6, is to make something up to someone. This is where something needs to be done for someone because you did something bad. On the article to the right, it says how to make up for forgetting someone's birthday. Or like in this episode of the TV show Friends, Chandler makes up for kissing Joy's girlfriend by spending time in a box. Oscar says that is enough for today. There were not many pictures of him or any dog in this presentation. I will make up for that in the next video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to watch part 1 with 2 additional meanings of to make up. Until next time, goodbye.